Hi guys, I'm Greg from SCT Adventures, and we recently took a cruise on the Carnival Valor out of New Orleans, Louisiana. Now we drove to the port, so we thought, hey, we'd share our adventure with you with getting to the port and exactly how you might get there if you drove, especially if you're coming in from the east. And as you can see here, when you get about 20 miles from New Orleans, you're going to cross over Lake Pontchartrain, which is a beautiful sight to see. It's a nice little drive across the bridge, especially if it's a sunny day. Like we had here, but it wasn't completely sunny the whole way there. It rained most of the way, so this was a nice little change of pace when the sun did pop out and we got to see Lake Pontchartrain. So let's speed things up just a little bit. As you get into the city of New Orleans, as you can see here coming in I-10 East, if you look off to the left, and I don't believe you can see it here, but you will when you're driving in. If you look off to your left, you'll see the ship as you approach the city. Now, this was a Thursday morning, and about 10 a.m. traffic was really heavy, which it always is, I'm sure, at that time of day. So just be cognizant of that if you're driving in. The traffic could get heavy, especially if there's an accident or something. So plan plenty of time to make sure you get to the port. The first interchange you're going to look for as you get close to the port is going to be Business 90. Now, as you saw there, the sign's not marked real well, so hopefully you got a good GPS. But you're going to be taking in the left lane Business 90, which is going to wrap around the Superdome. You'll see here in just a second. So once you merge onto Business 90, you're going to go about 2 miles, maybe. It's going to be exit 11 that you're looking for. It's going to be the Chupatola exit, if I said that correctly. Chupatola exit 11, and traffic, be careful, traffic backs up pretty heavily on port days there at that exit. When you get off on exit 11, this is the Chupatola exit, and I apologize if I'm not saying that correctly. I'm sure I will be corrected by our friends in Louisiana, and I apologize. Just tell me how to say it, and I'll try to say it correctly from here on out. But go through the first red light that you come to. You're going to see a sign here that says off-site parking. I think it said $14, and know that's available to you. It's not that far of a walk from here if you want to do that. We choose to park at the port, and we're going to show you that here in just a second. But go down to this red light and turn right. This is Chupatola Street, actually. So you're going to turn right here, go down. It's a short little jog to the next red light, which is you're going to take a left, and this is going to be Henderson Street that turns into the port. If this is your first time parking at the Port of New Orleans, you're going to notice as you get close to the garage, some people standing out there pointing you in the right direction, help guiding traffic. Don't be afraid to ask them questions, you know, where to go, what lane to be in. They're going to guide you into a specific lane. All these filter out and funnel you into the garage itself. But first, when you get in, you're going to have to pay for your parking. So make sure you got your credit card out, your debit card, whatever you're going to use to pay for parking. It usually goes really quickly, as you can see here, as we got up closer to where you pay to park. Very quick. We handed her our credit card. She swiped it. She gave us our ticket. We put it in the window and we were off. Now, as soon as you pay, you're going to circle around, and right when you enter the garage, the porters are going to be there waiting to get your luggage. It's very simple, very easy. They guide you right into place. There's plenty of porters there usually, and it's a very quick process. Doesn't take long at all. You'll see right here, there was a porter waiting, standing there. He was anxious to grab our luggage. One thing I will tell you is these guys are very helpful. Do not forget to tip your porters. You want them to take care of your luggage for sure. The garage does tend to fill up, but we did find us a spot on the top deck, as you can see here, and we had a great time on our cruise. Hey, if you found this video helpful in any way in getting you to the port or in planning your cruise, we'd appreciate you subscribing to our channel. Just hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. We would greatly appreciate it. I'm Greg with SCT Adventures. We really appreciate you following us along on our journeys, and we'll see you next time. Well, hey y'all, we made it. Look, it's a whale tail in the background.